Centering the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, Mount Kilauea takes up nearly 14% of the land area in the entire island of Hawaii. This volcano has been continuously erupting since 1983, making it one of the world's most active volcanoes. Between 1983 and May 2018, the eruptions have occurred 60 different times with no longer than a 3-month pause. Tracy Gregg, an associate professor of geology at the University of Buffalo, says that we do not know enough about the internal plumbing to have a precise answer as to why Kilauea has been continuously erupting since 1983. However, the most plausible answer is that a blob of new magma from deep below the volcano got injected up into the volcanic edifice. Volcanoes form as Earth's tectonic plates collide and one plate is pushed beneath the other. As the plate sinks, it heats up and dehydrates, causing water to be released from minerals and cracks in the sinking plate. This water is hotter than the surrounding rocks and rises up into the mantle. After this, hot fluids lower the pressure, causing the mantle rocks to melt. The molten rock then rises and erupts on the surface, building up a volcano. Volcanoes can also form when plates move apart. Magma rises up and erupts on the surface as lava where the plates separate. Kilauea is a shield volcano. This means that the volcanic mountain has a broad profile that is built up over time as flow after flow of lava emerges from vents or fissures on the surface of the volcano. Approximately 35.5 square kilometers of Big Island became covered in lava, which is twice the size of Key West, yet only 0.3% of Hawaii. The eruption released lava, clouds of sulfuric acid, carbon dioxide, and a plume of volcanic ash into the atmosphere. Several Earth systems were involved in the eruption of Mount Kilauea. Volcanic eruptions can inject enough CO2 and SO2 into the upper troposphere and stratosphere to influence atmospheric chemistry and climate, which adversely affects the atmosphere. Volcanoes typically occur at the boundaries of tectonic plates. The structures of the Earth's lithosphere are all vulnerable to destruction because of the volcanic eruption. Due to the severity of the Mount Kilauea eruption, a significant amount of wildlife in the biosphere were displaced in the Kilauea area. The last Earth system that was involved was the hydrosphere. Due to the lava entering surrounding bodies of water, the water became more acidic and warm, adversely affecting sea life.
Between 1983 and 2016, lava flows have covered about 144 square kilometers, added more than 440 acres in the Big Island's southeast, and destroyed 215 buildings on the Big Island. May 2018's eruption of East Buu alone destroyed parts of the Leilani Estates community, and by July, lava had covered more than 12 square miles and obliterated more than 700 homes. Thousands of residents were forced to evacuate their homes due to the eruption and toxic fumes in the atmosphere. The volcano has destroyed hundreds of homes and other structures and frequently damages local utilities and roads. Fortunately, no one was killed from Kilauea's May eruption. However, 25 people were injured. The island of Hawaii is largely aware and prepared for any eruptions from Kilauea due to its seemingly continuous activity since 1983. In fact, the Hawaii Volcanoes National Park, where Kilauea is located, is a very popular tourist destination. Despite the area's preparation for volcanic activity, damage recovery efforts from the May 2018 eruption have an estimated cost of $800 million, and because Kilauea has been actively erupting for so many years, local leaders are considering banning construction on affected land. There are several fascinating facts that we found out about Mount Kilauea along the way. Many of the families that had to flee due to the eruption had to abandon their pets, making surrounding shelters extremely overcrowded. It has been erupting for 36 years. It is one of the world's most active volcanoes. This volcano has more than 24 craters, and the lava that erupted from the volcano reached 2,100 degrees Fahrenheit.